So I'm going to create new CDS view. Last week we saw it, uh, how to use these functions, all these things. You can see here network. If you don't want to use this function, you can ignore it. Now you can activate and see it. So we are consuming from other CDS view, right? And now you can remove this option. I don't want this parameter. I'll remove this parameter as well. And also I will remove this parameter. Now activate and we'll see the result. Okay. Now you can see the result, right? How much it is there? Network 005,500. Let me go back here and I want to make it as a multiplication. Star and double one as just an example as net amount. Like this, I will give comment. Okay. Now you can activate and see different functions. You can use it. However, you are using another tool. Same way we can use in this way. See here, is it getting double? See here. Earlier we having 5,500 only. Now we having 55,000 like this. Okay, net amount is changed. So like this, if you want to do any multiplication, additions, you can perform like this. Okay. And now, sorry. And also I just wanted to show you one more thing like control concat is okay. Okay, I'm using it, this one. Now you can activate it. Now you can see in the result set. So name one, it is coming. So this earlier I don't see this one. Let me try now. Let me try now. Upper name one as name. So this function, it is not allowing me. Let's try with a different way. Okay, here, do we have any? Uh-huh. So I identified it here. What is this upper, right? Let me check here. Where is upper? Do you have upper? I don't see any upper here. Round, replace. Okay. Now then, okay, let me search into the search in upper. This I will take and search into the U level. Somewhere, somewhat it is not supporting this function. You can see this here, all our annotations, functions mixed with all these options. We don't see here extension, average, case, cast, count. Okay, let me go below. No, we don't have that option, bro. Let me try one more time. Do we have any? this option, function. You can see F symbol. This means abstract binary C. Okay, actually this version it is not coming. Concatenate came. See, concat came. I will show you this as well. Concat, fine. This is not supporting, but you can use in our real time. Same way. Concat option. Now you can use webland, comma, POSNR as, as combined. So now you can activate and you can do this option. Still throwing error. It is not supporting still. Okay. Maybe it is not supporting for this version. Okay. But you can use like this way. Okay. Activate and you can use. Now I will create new CDS view like this. New CDS view. This CDS view where close this version. Close this option. Fine. Now I will use new CDS view. Okay. Fine. Don't save it. Don't save it. Right click and you can create new series view and go to core data services. Next and standard consume. Okay, standard series view we are consuming. Now click on next. So we are not collecting in the transport level. So click on next. Select define view. If you don't want to use, then you need to type all annotations. So that is the way I'm taking it. By using define view, by default, these annotations will come. If you don't want to use, you can type it. You can type it. That is as well. So okay, and click. See, automatically it is came. So now this is mandatory, right? You know, right? SQL view name. Otherwise, it will won't allow. Standard, both should not same, okay? SQL view name and CDS view name should not same. So here I given underscore, here I don't give underscore, okay? And here it is asking, right, data source name. And here we need to give control shift EA. That means in the system level, whatever we have, that will come automatically. So now I'm using it. So this, I'll copy this one and I will use into here. So from this standard CDS view, I'm consuming. Now you can go here. So how you will get all the fields from this CDS view? This is already CDS view, right? This CDS view. How many fields are there? Purchase organization and purchase organization name and company code and plant also available. So now you can go here and you can control space. Control space. Whatever we have in this series, all fields will come automatically now. Okay. And activate. We already activated. Now you can go and check it. See that it is it working or not? You can see. See, I don't have any issues. It is working as expected. Now close this and now right click and you can go and check SQL statement as well. See here we don't have any giant as well. I didn't use any giants right till now. So I'm consuming from only this series view. That is fine. No. Now I wanted to use giant. I want to use giant condition. For example, left outer giant. So left outer giant. Okay. And now I will take this CDS view. Left outer giant with what? T001. This is company code table. And now on So whatever we have, this CDS view dot company code. This company code. Don't want to type anything. Okay. Don't type anything. Automatically it will show you. Okay. T001 space. Now it is asking, I want company code text. So I'm taking it this one. Sorry. So what is the common field? What is the common field? This company code and this? Yeah. See here, this is the company code field. So company code matching, then it will bring it. Now, which field I'm taking? T001, T001, and we need to use comma. It will throw error. And now, which field I want? This one. This is company code text. Now activate it. Just observe it. What is happening? What we are doing it? We are doing just join between two tables. This is one CDS view. This is another table. Okay, in the CDS view already we have four fields. And this CDS view, and this is table. This table I am using this one. Okay, total four fields are available. Three are coming from one table. One field is coming from other table. So now how it is generating SQL statement. Now you can see join. See left outer join. By default it will take left outer join only. And if you want change it, you can change as well. If you want change it, right outer change it. No? If you want right outer join, you can change it. No? However you want. Okay, based on our requirement, we'll change it. Activate it. Activate it. And go and check it in the open, sorry, the skill statement. See, right outer join only, right? If you want inner join, you can try with the inner join as well. So SAP given plenty of options. Whatever you want, you can use it. Okay, I just trying now. Left outer join will give the better performance. That is the way I'm going for this. Okay, sorry, I need to remove this as well. Okay. Now you can see, so based on requirement, it is generating automatically SQL statement as well. You can go here. See here we having inner join only. Different joins are there. Okay. It will support inner join and left outer join and right outer join. By default, it will have left outer join. Okay, fine. So in a chain, it will decay the performance. I don't want this one. So now you know how to use and how it is generating all this, right? So I will use left outer chain, fine. I will activate it. And also I will generate, you just observe it, giants as well. And I will create association. I will create association with the T001. I will create association 2. We need to use 2 here. Otherwise, it will throw error. So now I'm using it. So I'm using from second table. So that is the way it is showing it. Okay. Now you can go and see it. So left outer join, it is generated automatically. Okay. If I remove this one, if I make this as a comment, then you observe it. This is the advantage of association. Now you can go and check it. See here, I don't see any join because of I'm not fetching any field from the T001 table. If you are not using any field from other table, then it will not throw error. See, purchase, purchase arc. This is one table. Assume like this. So it will have purchase organization, purchase arc, purchase arc name, purchase arc name, and this have company code as well, company code. So T001 will have company code text. So when you are using association, when you are using association, so my requirement is I don't want to fetch any field from the TW01 company code text as well. Just I need to check which company code is matching with the TW01. Whatever we have company code here, I just wanted to check. So then in that case, it will not hit TW01 table. If you are using company code text from the TW1, then it will create the giant for association. If you are using any field, this is field, okay? This is table. So this is a table, assume like table. This is fields, okay? If you are using any field from this table, then only it will hit. If you are using any field from this table, then only it will hit database table. Otherwise, it will not, unnecessarily it will not hit. So here, giants, same. Here, here we have a concept giant. So in this giant, even if you are using even if you are using these fields or not, even though it will search for both tables. It will search the data for both tables. It will get the performance. Even if you are using or not using, giants will get the performance because of unnecessarily it is hitting both tables. For example, in the real time, it will have millions of records. So unnecessarily it is, even if you are not using any field from this TW01, still it is hitting and it will take the performance, right? It has to search for 1 million records. So whereas association, it will not hit when when you are not using any field from the TW01. That is the advantage. In the interview, if someone asks you in the interview, what is the difference between association and giants? So whenever we use association, it will give the better performance comparing to giant. Because assume like we have one example. I have a purchase organization table and one more thing is company code table. So I'm using three fields from the purchase organization and I'm not using any field from the TW01. In this case, we are using association. It is not going to hit TW01 table. So it will give the better performance. Even if you are executing CDS view and within seconds, it will display the data set. When you are using giants, when you are using or not using fields from the both tables, when you are creating the movement giant, it will hit both tables even if you are not using the company code text as well. So unnecessarily it is hitting both tables. So it will give the D grade. Unnecessarily we are hitting another table and it is having some pressure in the database level. So that is the way they have introduced association. Clear? Okay. Now you can see when you are reaching association, now you can see data preview as well. Okay. Like this. And even if you go and see it, here we having a association one to start. So now you can see here, go here, you can see purchase organization. Now you can go and you can see it. So this is how we'll have association with one CDSU to another CDSS, it will have it. So this is how we'll have it. You can go and keep on go. So it will give the associations, okay? Fine. This is a ready-made one. We don't want to change anything. See here, there in the ready-made I underscore purchase organization, the arranging association and cardinality 0 into 1, and uh, we can use this as well. Still you can use our CDSU if you want. Dot one. If you want, you can use this association as well, TW01. And you can use as underscore company code text. Like this I will use. Okay. Now you can use, or if you don't use also fine. So now I'm using from here. So here you need to use. So now you can see this is whole association name. This is whole association name. I given like no. See this one you can use as a PO, as PO. Wherever we have this much name, don't use. You can use PO and see like this you can use it. So now you can go and check it how it will be generating SQL generate. See here. And if you want to use star also you can use it. Ordinality star also you can use it. So this is how we will define it. This is how we'll define it. Okay. We'll try this one. We'll try this one. Okay. Upper will work. We'll try here. Control space. Oh, it is not coming to. No, I don't know why it is not supporting in because of plugins only. I will try in other CDSU. Okay. I will try in other system. It will work or not. We'll see. Okay. Definitely we'll have to try with the other system for BW extraction. So it is not supporting. Right. So so as of now, like no, you are how to define CDSU, how to extract data from standard CDSU, and how to extract. So these options, right? How to create CDSU, you know, right? How to create CDSU, what are the annotations will, okay, and how to consume existing CDS view to existing CDS view to new CDS view, that you are getting aware, and how to extract the data from standard. This is custom, existing custom, and this is standard CDS view. So now you can you know right, it's concat, how to use concat and multiplication functions, and what is this concat, and also uppercase. So same functions you can use it, it will convert as it. And now these are all, just remember this. And association, these things they will ask you in the interview. Okay. Okay. And the next session we'll see uh, how to use, how to create CDSU and how to create the data source in the extraction BW level, and how to extract it. Okay. And how to use delta, and I will see those options. Thank you.